Hi guys, welcome to Crafty. This is Devyani. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made this outfit from a sari. It is super easy and fun to make. Also, a big thank you to my mom for helping me out with this video and the stitching of the outfit, as I am still learning to use the machine. I made a palazzo pant and a jacket from the sari. It can be worn together or separately as you like, and it is super comfortable for traditional and ethnic look as well as for Indo-Western or Western looks. First, cut out the pallu from the sari and then fold the sari into half and cut to get two equal sized cloths. Take one cloth to make palazzo. Fold the cloth 2 times to get 2 open and 1 closed end on one side and all closed ends on the other side. Now measure 2 inches for the palazzo's elastic or the dory part and make a line. Now measure 12 inches below the line that you just made and make another line. Now on the line, mark 10 inches from the folded edges. Then further mark 2.5 inches and 2 more inches on the same line. You will get 3 marks. Now make a straight line from the middle mark like so. Then make a line like so and give a curved shape. This will be the crotch area. Now measure the length of how flared you want your palazzo to be and make a mark. Now make a line from the third mark to the palazzo's flare length like so. Now cut it out. You will get one front and one back piece. I did the same for my lining material as my sari was a little transparent. Now to attach the lining, place it on one piece of the cutted palazzo cloth. Sew these parts on both the sides. Also hem just the lining from below like so. Once that is done, do it for the other part as well. Now place both the palazzo parts with their right side to each other. Sew these parts on both the sides. Then open the palazzo like so. Now sew both the inseams of the palazzo. Then sew 1 inch fold on the top for elastic or dory like so. You can put in elastic or a dory like I did and also add tassels like I did, and your palazzo is ready. For the jacket, again fold the cloth like we did for the palazzo to get 2 open ends and 1 closed end on one side and both closed ends on the other side. Now keep a t-shirt that fits you well on the closed ended side properly. Also tuck in the sleeves to get the armhole measurements. Now mark the shoulders and armhole. For the bodice part, mark 9 inches from the armhole like so and then join it to the armhole, leaving 1 inch seam allowance. Now you can give any shape for the jacket. I just joined my bodice part to the end of the sari. Now cut this out. You will get two pieces, one front and one back. Take one piece and fold it in half like so. Measure 10 inches from the shoulders for the neckline. Then measure 16 inches on the folded edge and join it to make the neck. Now cut it out. Then cut in the middle to get two front sides. Now place the two front sides on the back part, right side facing each other. First sew the shoulders. I joined the saree's border. You can also just hem the open edges of the jacket, neckline and armhole. Once that is done, sew this part on both the sides. Make dory from remaining fabric and join it here. You can add tassels here as well, like I did, and your jacket is ready. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. Give it a big fat thumbs up and follow me on all my social media. The links are in the description box. Don't forget to be subscribed. Let me know if you would like to see more such videos, and I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.